Are you one of the millions of Americans who are flushing $500,000 down the toilet? I'm sure you hope not, but this secret may come as a shocker to you. Hi everyone, my name is Keith and I want to teach you everything I know about student loans and how they impact you when you're considering buying a home. I'm on a mission to help educate and empower and encourage any new, young, or motivated millennial to make great decisions when you start out and show you the results and power you can have later on in life. The second largest U.S. debt is student loans, which is on average of about $25,000. I know this has impacted all of you first-time home buyers the most, who are working hard on trying to pay those suckers off, but I want you to listen to the information in this video because I never had to pay off any student loans. I utilize my real estate, and I'm going to share some of the secrets today in this video. The National Association of Realtors released a report in 2019 that stated student loan debt was costing many of you up to $500,000. Because of this decision, some of you are making delays in buying homes, not saving money, and not contributing to your 401k. Now, just to summarize what we just reviewed, there are 4 different loan types, and the calculations for the student loan payment are different on all 4. So you may qualify for different amounts on all 4 loans. Now, what I'd like to do now is dig into how you can overcome the hurdle of having student loans. There are a few ways. The first is a cosigner. You can buy a home and use the low down payment and get the rate a house that you're living in. Even if your mom and dad or your brother and sister cosign on the loan, we get to use their income towards your qualifying ability. If you're considering buying a 2 to 4 unit property, which is my favorite, and when I first purchased a house, if you use FHA loans to buy a 3 unit, for example, we get to use the income plus we also get to use the rent from the 2 units that you will not be living in. Let's say those 2 other units are getting $2,000 a month in rent. We can add $1,500 to your monthly income to qualify you. The reason I like this solution so much is because if you keep this 3 unit, even if you move out in 2 or 3 years, you have other people paying down the mortgage payment for you. The 2 units I purchased at age 24, now 30 years later, I could sell today and walk away probably with about $100,000 or more, which is enough to pay off the average student loan that many of you have. Look into refinancing your student loans into fully amortized payments. Maybe doing this will be all that you need to qualify for the house that is perfect for you. The next thing that you want to look into is perhaps even refinancing your student loans into a fully amortized payment. Maybe doing this will be all that you need to qualify for the house that is perfect for you. I've included a link in the description to one of the best companies that can help you look into these options. You can click the link in the description and check them out and connect with one of their team members. Getting a second opinion. There have been many buyers who get turned down at their local bank because that one bank had their own rules and one way of doing things. A mortgage broker has many ways and will exhaust all efforts to make this buying a home possible. I will not hurt your credit score. And it's something that you would do if you were making the biggest health decision in your life. So do the same thing with your personal finances and plans. And if you have been turned on by someone because of your student loans, it can't hurt to get a second opinion. Click the link in the description that says get pre-approved, and we will connect with you after you fill out your information. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in today. I can't wait to see any comments, questions, or feedback you have, and please share your journeys with us. That helps others know they're not alone or that they can get to where someone else is. If you like this video and would like to see more, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and please hit the bell.